Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Pretty cool little graphic that anybody can draw. You just need to pay attention to a couple of steps. And this is what we first need. This circle is rotated 60 degrees. So if you can just draw that and stay. So just take a circle and an ellipse, hold down the control button so it's perfect, and hit P. Control D and make a duplicate while holding down the shift key, get your two-sided arrow and bring it in. And then grab these two lines and go up to effect and blend, and we're just going to blend them 2 times. Now you have to break the blend apart, and you also have to select it and ungroup it. Then we can take this and hit T and put all the circles on the top. Now we can take this outer circle, Control D, double click on the X, and move the rotation of that node or quadrant and rotate it 60 degrees. This is the shape we're looking for. I'm going to go ahead and group these together like I always do. And then I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and I'm going to make them all the same color because I find it just easier to do that. Now the last one is still selected. So we're going to get the interactive fill tool and I'm going to go up and I'm going to put darkness, and you could use any amount of color or whatever you want to do. But then if you'll take the attribute eyedropper and take a sample of there and pour it in there, what it's doing is making that same color. That would be pretty cool on its own. But now if you select that next to the bottom one, get the interactive fill tool, and we can change the color right here. That's all you have to do. Take that one, change the color. That's all you have to do. Take that one, change the color, and you could play around with it. Like yellow never really looks very good. And then because this is grouped together, we can delete that. Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate it, and move the center rotation up there. And since we did that circle, we're going to rotate this. But now we're going to change the color. So we're going to go to Effect, Group, and Ungroup. And we'll grab that one. We'll get the interactive fill tool. And I'm not very good with colors, but we'll make that one burnt orange. We'll make this one this lighter blue. And you could do, well, you know what? I must have missed it because it did not give me there it is. Make sure you click off of it. And then let's grab some colors down to make it a gold. And hopefully you can do a better job of picking some colors than I'm doing. That's not too bad. Now take it all, Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate it, and then move the center rotation of that node. Now we rotate it 120 degrees in Control D. Now if we take all this and make it a white outline or even a black-white outline, but I think the white looks pretty good. Black doesn't look too bad either. Group it together and just put it on a black background. Just kind of show off that interactive fill tool going to the inside, and really pops. I kind of like the black. And you can always change your hairline to an 8-point and make it look totally different. But if you'll take a screenshot of that right there, that's really all you need to do. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.